everybody, welcome back to another live stream. It's Ariel. Welcome back. Lovely to see all of you guys. Obviously, this is the Kooky app and obviously the Kooky YouTube channel. And here on the Kooky app and the Kooky YouTube channel, we talk about K-pop. And today's theme is spring summer comeback. So we're going to be wrapping up April and May and then talking about June, July upcoming comebacks that I'm excited for. I legitimately wrote a spreadsheet so I don't forget anything. And also, if you guys want to chime in the comments and recommend me comebacks that I may have missed, or also talk about what comebacks you're really excited for. And then we can also just talk about like upcoming K-pop concerts, upcoming K-pop comebacks and stuff. So like I said, you guys can just like let me know in the comments like what has been your favorite comeback in April and May. If you guys have a song of the year already, what is it? I'm so confused. I don't even know why, but I feel like picking a song of the year this year is going to be even harder than last year. And last year I didn't have a song of the year. So that's how you know it's going to be like extremely difficult. So I guess we will see. Again, you guys can comment down below if you want to. Anyways. Also, this doesn't have Japanese releases in it because there were so many Japanese releases, I feel like, in the past couple months. Obviously, on April 5th as well, IVE had their comeback for Love Dive. Genuinely, I feel like IVE is becoming, like, with Stacey, one of my favorite girl groups right now. So I did actually end up purchasing IVE's Love Dive album, and I will go back and purchase all of their albums. But for right now, I only have my bias Wonyoung's album, and I am obsessed with Love Dive. Like, I'm obsessed with it. And then on the 12th of April, Dreamcatcher made their comeback for Mason, and I love Dreamcatcher. I just think they're so cool. Their concept is so unique, and I really liked Mason. I think, actually, I reacted to Mason on a live stream recently. Wow, they're just so freaking cool. Like, I aspire to be cool like them. Like, I aspire to, like, have, like, you know, they're just so cool. Like, they're just so cool. I love them. And then, obviously, on the 15th, 17 released their first English single and, like, the pre-release for their album, Darling. I legitimately cannot describe the pain I went through listening to Darling. It destroyed me internally. That song is perfection. And then on the 26th, Monsta X released Love. Now, besties, the way my jaw hit the floor. Like, I mean, like, hit the floor when I heard this song. It is so them, but I absolutely am obsessed with it. Like, Love was just I literally, like, I watched it and I thought I was in a trance. Like, genuinely. Love was so good. May 9th. I feel like y'all know what happens May 9th. May 9th was a day for me. May 9th was a day. Wow. Obviously, TXT had their comeback for Thursday's Child on May 9th with the title track Good Boy Gone Bad. I obviously am obsessed with it, but this era has been this album is completely flawless. If you guys haven't checked it out, I highly recommend. Like, genuinely, this was it for me. I love it. I think Good Boy Gone Bad is gonna be one of my top songs of the year, because I am just obsessed with it. I listen to it every single day. I actually stream the album every day, but yeah. I really like, obviously. And then, obviously, on the 23rd, GOT7 released Na Na Na, and why was I blessing again? I was watching it, and I was like, I think they looked so good. And I really liked GOT7's Na Na Na. Again, I would love to see what you guys think. And then, oh my god, on the 2nd of June, my Girly Toy Yuri is making a comeback, and I'm just like, it's for me. It's my birthday present. I loved Yuri's solo release. Yuri was obviously another member of IZ*ONE, but she did go solo, and she had her solo debut, Glassy. Oh my god, Glassy was so good. It suited her so nice. And Yuri is honestly one of my favorite vocalists right now for females. I absolutely adore her vocals. But I'm so excited. This is her first mini album. I am so excited to listen to it. The 10th of June is the BTS comeback. I feel like I'm not emotionally ready for the BTS comeback. I'm not financially ready for the BTS comeback. I'm not ready for the BTS comeback at all. Like, I am genuinely so excited. So excited to see, like, all of the different concepts, all of the different things. I'm ready. I'm ready to hear all of the songs, like, remastered and, like, this current era of like the old songs. If you guys enjoyed our little chat, I hope if you guys haven't listened to some of these songs that you will. Obviously, I need to go through all of the ones I haven't listened to and listen to them. And obviously, there are like so many more than this. If you guys just look up like April comebacks 2022 or May comebacks 2022, the list is humongous. So many groups I've never even heard before. So I highly suggest if you ever want to get into some new music, just look up the recent comebacks and you'll find recent debuts, recent comebacks, and maybe you'll find new music that you really, really, really enjoy. But yeah, I love you guys. Obviously, love doing these live streams. They are so much fun for me, and I love talking about K-pop. You guys know it's one of my favorite things to talk about in the entire world. So yeah, I love you guys. Obviously, I will see you guys next Saturday at 11 a.m. KST or 10 p.m. Eastern here on the official Kooky YouTube channel and on the official Kooky app. So obviously subscribe to the Kooky YouTube channel and obviously download the app in order to see them. They are no longer going to be on my channel, only on the Kooky official YouTube channel and obviously on the Kooky official app. I love you guys. Obviously I love Kooky, and I will see you guys next week. Bye everyone. Thank you for chatting with me. Everyone go stream TXT's new album and get really excited for Dream's new album on Monday. Okay? Bye guys. Mwah.